Cultural capital of Korea, designated as a UNESCO City of Gastronomy, the city of Hanok, Jeonju. We will introduce the top 3 hotels for tourists. If you want to receive hotel informations every evening, please click the subscribe button. This is a reasonably priced and convenient place to travel. There are many good restaurants around. The accommodation is spacious and comfortable. The staff is polite. It is a suitable choice for a cost-effective trip. The hotel is located in a quiet area. Drinking water and coffee are provided on the first floor. Rooms are fully equipped with necessary amenities. Modern design, beautifully decorated. Cheap hotel but very neat and clean. The hotel is easily accessible from the center of Jeonju. The hotel is also very close to tourist attractions. The hotel offers comfortable accommodation with modern design and luxurious space. The rooms are clean and spacious, fully equipped with amenities. It is a hotel that brings a satisfying experience to visitors. Get the cheapest hotel booking link in the description box.